Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write poems and stories with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for writers, both experienced and aspiring when it comes to crafting poems and stories. So here's how you can effectively use it. So make sure you will have logged in your ChatGPT officially, and if I just give them command of like give me 10 unique ideas for poems about love. If I just tap on to enter, and let's see. So here is the 10 unique ideas for poem about love. Unspoken words, time travel loves, the language of flowers, a love that never met. So this is, you can just pick the ideas from using chat gpt for your poems if you're interested in poems. If I give them command to chat gpt to give me 5 suggestions to write a story on freedom time, and let's see. So I will just give them command to give me 5 suggestions on writing a story on freedom time. So it will give me the topics like the last day of the old world, the time locked prisoner, a world without clocks. So in this way you can just use this chat gpt to write your poems and your stories if you are a story writer. So you can just by using ChatGPT and creatively you can unlock new levels of inspiration and productivity in your writing journey. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.